Everywhere we are hearing in news that COVID-19 third wave will affect kids more. Due to this, parents are being panicked that if kids will affect, how they will handle this situation. So, in this video today I will share थर्ड वेव में कोरोना वायरस से बच्चों को कैसे सुरक्षित रखें. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For this, today I will share homeopathic immune booster medicine which is specially for kids. Will help kids to develop immunity. With this also will share some dietary intake and some preventive measures that will help kids to develop immunity faster. So keep watching till end. Thanks friends for watching my last video and supporting me. Unlike wave 1, symptoms have changed. Wave 1 में typical symptoms थे dry cough, body ache and fever. Now from second wave, complete scenario has changed. Kids are also getting from this virus and especially kids में पेट के symptoms develop होते हैं, diarrhea, vomiting and high fever. Keep your first aid kit very handy. Exercise is also very important point. Research also shows that obese children are getting more affected from COVID-19. So take extra care for those children and motivate your kids to do exercise and pranayam daily. Minimum 30 minutes daily exercise is beneficial. Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati, deep breathing, art breathing exercises which can be practiced at home by children to improve their respiratory capacity and combat COVID-19.
First we do a warm exercise. First exercise is slow jump. Another exercise is slow running. Another exercise is fast running. Another exercise is a neck rotation. And another exercise is the hand rotation.
Basic home care. Nowadays, all are trying and following ancient homeopathic and Ayurvedic medicine. Ancient or grandma's nuska are working well in this COVID-19 situation. Namak and hot water gargle will help to clear sore throat. Another thing is जिंजर का थोड़ा सा जूस हनी में डाल के वो हर रोज दीजिए. Eat more green leafy vegetables. इसमें भरपूर मात्रा में विटामिन्स पाए जाते हैं. In case of fever, keep your kids well hydrated. Make sure at least they are drinking 1 to half liter water. Basic home care is only indicated in case of mild fever. Try to give water in form of coconut water, juices of sweet limes, watermelon, etc. Please try to avoid cold and sugary food and try to give alkaline food. Here I have set chart for alkaline food. To develop immunity, role of vitamin C is very much important. Either you can introduce supplementary vitamin C or you can give lemon, sweet lime or other sour fruits. Medical properties of turmeric will boost immune system. So try to give turmeric milk alternate days in this hot summer weather. Be sure to talk with your child's doctor before starting any supplementary medicine and ask doctor to introduce zinc, vitamin C, multivitamin medicines. ट्राई टू कीप विटामिन डी लेवल हाई. एक रिसर्च में ऐसा भी पाया गया है कि पीपल विथ लेस विटामिन डी आर गेटिंग मोर अफेक्टेड. वी कैन नॉट इंक्रीज ओवरनाइट. इफ़ यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे देन इट विल हेल्प टू डेवलप इम्यूनिटी. आप विटामिन डी सप्लीमेंट भी दे सकते हैं और encourage your child to play outside in balcony for sun bath. It's a great source for vitamin D. Educate your children on COVID appropriate behavior like wearing mask while going out. Hand wash with soap. Why hand wash with soap is necessary? You can explain with this example like given in video. You can do above practical to explain your kids. Following proper hand wash technique and use of hand sanitizer and keep safe distance while going out. Isolate means keep your kid at home only. Encourage to play different indoor activities. Isolation will help to prevent or getting infection with all basic home care tips. Here, being a homeopath, I am suggesting you homeopathic medicine which will improve immunity. Mama Natura की monostem, specially made for kids. अगर बच्चे 10 साल और 10 साल के अंदर है तो 4 गोलियां 3 टाइम्स दे और 5 साल से अंदर है तो 3 गोलियां 3 टाइम दे. You can keep continue this medicine for 6 months. Prevention is better than cure. By following these measures, you can protect your kids from third wave of COVID. Hope you like my video. If you like, then don't forget to share with your friends and family.